Hello everyone, my name is Susie. Today I'm going to show you some more science, but today we have a new subject instead. It's what plants need to grow. So let's find out in the words. So the first word we got is sunlight. Oh, do you know what is sunlight? Well, sunlight, the light from the sun, it helps plants to grow. That means like this. The sun gave the light to every plant in the world because the sun is very big. So do you why we call it sunlight? Because we just need the letter light and the word sun, and then we mix them together, make sunlight. That's easy, right? So our next word is air. What is air? The gas that surrounds the earth. We cannot see air, but it is everywhere. So air means it's a gas that surrounded us. It's important to our life too. It's just like the oxygen we breathe. It's called air and it's surrounded us, but we cannot see it. It's just like it's invisible that we can't see it anywhere around us because it is invisible that we cannot see it. Well, this one is a very important part for plants and for us. It's water. So, water is a liquid that is necessary for life. Water moves food to the parts of the plant. Oh, water. Water is a liquid that is always a part of our diet. So, for example, that in a hot sunny day and the sunlight was shining bright, but you have no water, you will be very thirsty and you will not have the energy to go play or run in the park anymore. So, water is very necessary for our life and for the plant life too, because plants need water. So sometimes the sunlight gets too much and they get hot, and then they cannot bear the heat. So that's why they need water so they could cool down, just like we drink water when we are thirsty. So the next word is space. Space. What is space? The space is the area available for use. Available for use means it's good for plants and it's used for plants to have more space. If there is space, a plant can grow big and strong. So why do we need space? Because we need space to help plants grow bigger and stronger. If it goes so near, it could not grow bigger, because if it stands near each other, it will not have any space to grow and to have many different things that plants do. So the next one is soil. Soil. What is soil? Soil is it's where plants grow. Soil is the top part of the earth. Oh, soil. Soil is very good for plants because it's just like a home of the plant. But the plant cannot go anywhere without the soil. It's just like the plant is a living thing, but it can't move. But the soil helped the roots to grow bigger, and the plants grow bigger to day by day, so that it could be a very good tree. And also, soil is the top part of the earth because we walk on the soil just like the dirt. The dirt, you see? You see the picture? The dirt is just like the soil, but soil is much harder, and sometimes soil could be any color. Well, warmth. Warmth is the stage or quality of being warm. Oh, that's right. We have to keep ourselves warm, like the plants have to keep themselves warm, because if they don't keep themselves warm, they will be freezing cold in the winter, so that they could not grow strong and big anymore. And that's why it's just like humans. If we don't keep warm, we'll get sick. So let's go to the activities. Are you ready for the activities? Yes. Now let's start. What plants need? Plants need sunlight, soil, warmth, space, water, and air. You understand now? Well, this is what I just reviewed. Oh, the insects eating plants. Oh, this one is very interesting because this one is a Venus flytrap. A Venus flytrap is just like a plant, but when it smells like flower, and then when the bug or something like that or insects came to stand on its mouth, and then it's closed and nobody could get out. A pitcher plant. A pitcher plant is a very very strange plant, but inside it has a liquid that smells horrible, and when any insects or bugs smell it, they will faint and then they will fall into, so that the pitcher plant could eat it. That is a very good plant because they keep pests away. Well, let's do to the activity. Match each words to the right picture. So the first word is sunlight. Sunlight is A, B, C, D, E, F. Yes, E is E. So, air. What? You already guessed it already? Well done. It's air. Water. Water is B. That's right. Space. Where is the space? Did you just say C? Yes, that's right. It's C. The soil. The soil is F-E-O. Well, I don't know it yet. Oh, yes, it's F. And what about worm? So is the last word is letter D. So who have the right answer? Congratulations to you all who have the right answers to my questions. And then choose the correct things. This one will be a bit tricky for you. So can you guess what is it? So it's just like light, it's sunlight. So the girl is shivering and she is wearing lots of warm clothes. So it's warmth. The bird is flying and carrying something. Well, I can't see what it's carrying. Yes, it's carrying. Well, this one will match the state or quality of being warm. Warmth. That's right. The gas that surrounds the earth. What is it? Air. That's right. The light. Oh, you already guessed it is sunlight. Very good. The light from the sun is sunlight. The top part of the earth is soil. Congratulations. A liquid that is necessary for life. So what is it anyway? Yes, it's water. The area available for use. This was a bit tricky. Can you just say space? Yes, the last question is a little difficult to you all, but congratulations to you all. But don't be sad if you are wrong. You could just fix it. I don't mind anyway. Let's circle true or false. We can see air. Is it true or false? Yes, it's false. Soil is the top part of the earth. Is it true or false? True, because we stand on the soil just like the dirt. We stand on the soil. Warmth is where plants grow. So is it true or false? This was a tricky one for each of you. Yes, it's true. It's not false. It's true. Well, I'll read this part for you. What plants need to grow? A plant needs many things to help it grow. It needs sunlight, water, and air to help it grow. Sunlight comes from the sun. It gives the plant warmth. A plant needs water to grow. Water helps carry food from the soil to all its parts. Soil has food and plants to grow big and strong. We cannot see air, but it is also important for the plants to grow. Plants grow in the ground. A plant needs space in the ground to grow bigger. Can you remember all the important things a plant needs to grow big and strong? Yes, we'll skip this part. Well, I guess we're almost done for today. What parts has food and plants to grow? Is it sunlight? Is it air? Or is it soil? Yes, it's soil. A plant needs to have space in ground, to have air and sunlight, to have soil and air. Yes, to have air and sunlight in the space. Well, in the soil, in the space, this one is the letter A and this one is the letter B. We cannot see air, but this gas is important for a plant to grow, but it gives food and warmth to a plant. Water or soil, but they are important for the plant. Yes, but this gas is important for a plant to grow. If a plant does not have enough water or food, the plant will get more sunlight to help it grow. The plant will move to another area. The plant will not grow big and strong. The plant will not grow big and strong. Well, that's the end of today. So I'll see you next time, everyone. Bye-bye.